Hello, I am John Douthit, President of Johannes Burke Catholic High School. Thank you for the opportunity to speak with you today, and welcome to Burke Catholic. It is a very different time for all of us, but that does not lessen the importance of your decision about your choice of high schools. As a Burke Catholic alumni and a parent of 2 Burke Catholic graduates, I know how important this time of year is for you. I want to read a line from our mission statement. Burke Catholic will shape students' talents and abilities academically, spiritually, emotionally, and physically. Our young men and women will embody the spirit of Christian values, demonstrate civic responsibility, and become leaders who positively impact and serve the world. As you have the opportunity today to virtually meet our administrators, our faculty, our guidance department, our counselors, and other directors, please know that this mission is at the forefront of everything we do here at Burke Catholic. We take that responsibility very seriously and recognize that our truest and only real measure of success is the success of our students. We are very proud of our 100% graduation rate, our 100% acceptance rate into college, and our $100,000 per year on average that our students receive in college scholarships. Our students gain acceptance into great schools all over the country, including the University of Chicago, the University of Notre Dame, Boston College, Villanova, Cornell, SUNY Albany, SUNY Binghamton, West Point Military Academy, and the University of Virginia, just to name a few. We're also very active in our parent community and our service volunteer program, and we want all of you to be part of our great high school experience. That means not only having superior academics, but we also have great facilities for our students. Under the guidance of our Board of Trustees, we are constantly identifying new capital projects that will add to the overall experience of our student body. Our students learn through an innovative one-on-one iPad program using our college-level LMS Canvas that provides access to limitless educational opportunities. We continue to renovate and upgrade our beautiful 62-acre campus through our Revitalization Capital campaign. We recently finished the renovation of our new track, 3 new STEM science labs, and our new Student Union Center. All of these great things happening at Burke Catholic are a testament to the incredibly gifted students that enroll at Burke Catholic. We are very optimistic about this year and are expecting another wonderful class of students to add to the great BC legacy. None of these things would be possible without the support of the entire BC community and our extended Burke Catholic family. And at Burke Catholic, we truly are a family. Our small, safe setting and low student-teacher ratio allows us to truly get to know each and every one of our students. From the moment you enter Burke Catholic, you are forever an Eagle. We have many second and even third generation families. We are committed every day to continuing the great traditions of Burke Catholic. And I ask you today to please schedule an appointment to meet myself or Tracy Sullivan, the Director of Admissions, and also register for the Burke Catholic admissions exam. All this information can be found on our website at burkecatholic.com. Thank you, be safe, and God bless.
Hello, my name is Janice Clark, and I'm the principal of Burke Catholic High School. I thank you for joining us in our virtual orientation today, and I look forward to welcoming you personally in the building soon. I hope that by watching our videos today that we've created for you, you'll gain a better understanding of who Burke Catholic is as a school, community, and family. There are many reasons why families choose to send their children to Burke Catholic. It may be for the continuation of their Catholic formation, the rigorous academic standards, the family atmosphere, or personal attention that they receive. For whatever reason the family chooses Burke Catholic, they can rest assured that they will benefit from all of these things. As principal and head of academics at Burke Catholic, I'd like to give you some information about our courses, curriculum, and student success. To begin with, Burke Catholic does follow the New York State Common Core standards. This means that all of our students will take Regents level courses and Regents Common Core exams at the end of each Regents class. However, we differ in several ways. Burke Catholic diploma far exceeds the 22 credits required by New York State Ed. This is standard in public schools. A Burke Catholic graduate will graduate with a minimum of 27 credits. Many graduate with 30 or more. And 91% of our students also graduate with a Regents or Advanced Regents diploma each year, which is much higher than the 81% in Orange County. Regardless of a student's academic ability upon entering Burke, we encourage all of our students to take a rigorous course load. In order to do that, all of our students begin with Regents level courses and may take higher level courses based on academic achievement. We have partnered with SUNY Orange, Dominican College, and St. Thomas Aquinas College to offer 7 college level courses in math, English, and business. In addition, we offer 10 advanced placement courses each year in all areas. All of our higher level courses have prerequisites, and teachers place students in these courses based on the success of a student's previous school year. If you are currently an 8th grader looking to enter Burke Catholic, we will look at your placement a little bit differently. Because we have students from over 15 school districts and about 25 different elementary schools, who each follow a different curriculum and have different grading policies, we will look carefully over all of your 6th, 7th, and 8th grade records, and also rely heavily on our entrance exam to help us discern students who will be most successful in our honors courses. It is important to note that students who do not place an accelerated or honors course in one year may certainly move up the following year should their grades meet the prerequisite. For students who have an individualized education plan or a 504 plan, we also have an excellent resource room and learning center. Students with an IEP are automatically placed in our resource room for 1 period a day and will receive extra help with organization, studying extra time in order to achieve their plan goals. Students who have a 504 plan may also choose to use the Learning Center. Technology has always been a focal point of education at Burke Catholic. Along with our computer science, coding, desktop publishing, and AP computer science course, our technology is integrated into every course at Burke Catholic with our one-to-one iPad program and our online learning management system, Canvas. Every student upon entering Burke is issued an iPad at the start of the year. The majority of our books are loaded onto the iPad, as well as educational apps, our LMS Canvas, and other helpful tools for students. With Canvas, students are able to see all of assignments and grades online at all times. Students can directly contact teachers and other students for help and are always updated as to their progress. Canvas is also the learning platform for colleges around the country, including all of the Ivy League schools. And parents, we don't leave you out of our technology program either. You will also have 24-hour access to your child's grades and every assignment through Canvas. And based upon your preferences when you sign up, you can even receive notices when items are submitted and graded. With technology, we know, however, comes distraction. So our Wi-Fi in the building is very controlled. iPads are automatically disabled if an unauthorized app is loaded, inappropriate sites are blocked, and teachers can see what students are looking at all times and can lock students onto a certain screen. The result of all of the hard work of our students is ultimately their college and career success. In our guidance video, you will hear about this success. Our Director of Guidance, Ms. Nemeth, will tell you all about the millions of dollars our students receive in scholarships each year and our 100% college acceptance rate. Burke Catholic is committed to ensuring that all of our students and parents have all the tools and information needed to move on successfully after Burke Catholic, regardless of their career or educational path. What we like to boast about most at Burke Catholic in the academic area is the commitment to personal attention. As a relatively smaller school, we are fortunate to be able to get to know your children very well, and consequently can help them better succeed here in college and ultimately in life. Of course, success depends on everyone working together. Our teachers are highly qualified and dedicated to each and every one of their students. Their commitment to working in collaboration with their students, parents, administration, and colleagues is paramount to what we do here. I hope that after learning more about Burke Catholic today, you will come visit us in person and encourage you to reach out if you have any further questions. I thank you for joining us today, and God bless.